I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by CryptoCloaks.com, your one-stop shop for custom 3D printed Bitcoin merch. You can head to CryptoCloaks.com right now and use code BTC Sessions for 5% off.
Yeah, I think if they get a good subscription on the initial float of the bond, I think just that right there will have a bunch of other countries at least kicking the tires and potentially looking at some of the modeling that I think Blockstream and some other companies did about if Bitcoin does, X percent appreciation. They did some various percentages to model out the returns. And I mean, really, it's not that crazy to think that they could potentially wipe away a good portion of their national debt just, from one bond offering on Bitcoin. So I think countries are probably already paying attention. And if the subscription for the first offering goes well, it's probably just a matter of time.